So there are several reasons organization and individual use a proxy server. The two main purposes of a proxy server is first to keep the system or you behind like as an anonymous entity, and it is not illegal. Please remember, I am not saying anything illegal. It is all because proxy server is there, VPN is there. This is legality. That is, in order to be anonymous, in order to access a resource through caching, speed up, this is your proxy server. Proxy server is actually giving its own IP to get access of the internet content, hiding your IP, which is normally exposed when you directly access any website or web content. Okay. So when there is a request from you to proxy server, it will keep your IP hidden. Also, it will cache the content so that you can use it again. So as I said, there are several reasons. First is to control the internet usage of employees and children. Organization and parents set up proxy server to control and monitor how their employees or kids use the internet. Most organizations don't want you spend time cyber loafing and looking at specific websites on company time, and they can configure the proxy server to deny access to specific sites. So this is the first important use of proxy server. The second use is bandwidth savings and improved speeds. Organization can also get better overall network performance with a good proxy server. Proxy servers can cache, that is, it can save a copy of the website or the web content locally, popular websites. Okay, when hundreds of people hit, it can just give it with improved network performance. The third one is privacy. Individuals and organizations alike use proxy server to browse the internet more privately. Some proxy server will change the IP address, and this means the destination server doesn't know who actually made the original request. So this is how you can be anonymous. You can access those things which normally you won't. Now the next thing, as I said, the two main purpose of proxy server is anonymity and the speeding up through the cache. So there is one more important aspect of using the proxy server is improved security. Improved security, proxy server provides security benefits on top of the privacy benefits. You can configure your proxy server to encrypt your web requests to keep prying eyes from reading your transactions. Organization can couple their proxy server with the VPN, virtual private networks, so remote users always access the internet through the company proxy. So there are certain frauds that can be stopped, certain malwares that can be stopped using the proxy server. Now one more important thing is to get access to the blocked resources. Proxy servers allow users to circumvent content restrictions imposed by companies or government. So you are in India, you want to access something from America which is blocked, go to Nigerian proxy server and access it. So several governments around the world closely monitor and restrict access to their internet, and proxy servers offer their citizens access to an uncensored internet. Okay, so you can get access to blocked resources through this. These are the proxy server. You can circumvent or bypass the way of ISP it is blocking to get hold of the block site which is otherwise not available at your country or location. So I hope you have a better idea of proxy server now. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.